YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with this month's zine. And before I present the zine, I want to show you the sticker set that I use to make the zine. So this is a Dollar Tree sticker set made by Jot. It's dimensional, and it is 12 pop-up stickers, and I'll be using this in my zine. So I want to show you what it looked like before I altered it and made it into my zine. So stay tuned for the zine. So I'm back with my zine. This is my completed version of what I made with the Dollar Tree stickers that I just showed you. And it's always hard because I'm doing it at nighttime and it's a shadow. I'll cut it back on in a second, but anyway, so basically I use those stickers, but in the background I just used 4 different pieces of paper, and I did some rips and tears and inked them with some ink. Ugh, I hate videotaping at nighttime, but it's the only time I can do it. And so I just inked around each one of the pieces of paper. I stapled with my little miniature stapler, blue staples, just to add some dimension. Use some enamel dots, some bling in certain places, and just inked the one around it with a pencil, punched out the little arrows with that, and I stamped the background of the coordinating stamp set that I just moved that goes with that punch. So you see those little brown arrows in the background. That's just to give it a little bit of depth and dimension. And then I just use these dollar store stickers in gold, those sentiments. So it was real quick, fast, and easy. So that was my zine. So I will show you when it is all closed up. This is me. So again, the dollar store sticker, the enamel dots, the punched out feather, the stamped feather in the background, and little strips of paper, and then the staples. And open up, it says one of a kind, my life, arrows, the little speakers, the staples, the stamped background, a little piece of bling there, arrow. And then this is a little scooter, put some little bling on the tires, an arrow, and a little sentiment, a wonderful trip, some bling there, and 3 staples, and again stamped in the background. Everything's been inked, and that says you are beautiful. Again, some enamel dots, staples, and again another feather, another arrow, tennis shoe with a little diamond rhinestone there. That says girl, and that says dream, staples. Some more staples. Each one of them has 3 staples on it. Enamel dots, punched out a feather along with that arrow. Some enamel dots that says well done. That says be creative. Put a little bit of bling there. Another arrow, be creative. 3 staples. And then the last one says smile. I punched out another one, arrow, and then some enamel dots, and that says laugh. And your staples there, and your punched and your stamped images there. So that is my zine. Of course, we are doing this for the Zine Craze collab. I have the list of all the other ladies that are participating in this collab. They're linked so you can check out their videos as well. We did not have a set theme. We could do whatever we want. So I've been using up Dollar Tree stickers because they're dimensional. Plus, it's a good way for me to make sure I use my stickers. Because sometimes I buy them and don't use them. So I use them every month for a zine. I pick a set and I use them. So anyway, this would be my copied version of the zine. So, well, let me open it all the way up first. So I take mine to Office Max and I get them to do it on glossy paper in color. It has a white trim around it, but I love the sheen and I love the color. So that's how it looks right there. I like when you make the zines because you can show that dimension. And you can still see it in the copy. And I think that glossy paper really makes it pop. So, that's the 2. I'll show a little bit more light just in case you need it. I don't know if that helps or makes it worse. But that is my copy of my zine, and either way you look at it, one side is going to be right side up and one side is going to be upside down, just because of the orientation of it. But anyway, and I will be sending those out to the ones I've been swapping with for the rest of the year, and also to my sister. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.